So good evening, my dear brothers and sisters. As usual, we are here on our platform. Let's talk in English with non-native English speakers, and whole India is here to practice English. So we are enthusiastic people, we are good, positive people, and that's why we share our valuable time with all our brothers and sisters. So today, Lakshmi Bora is from Assam, and she's waiting for her turn as a host. So good luck, Lakshmi Bora, and you can start your program. I have already given the permission to share my screen. Okay, so you can start.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I'm really very grateful to you as you have given me the opportunity to host our amazing online show. So first of all, I would like to invite Ranjana Goswami from Lucknow, the capital city of Uttar Pradesh, which is situated on the bank of the river Gomti.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So, a very good evening to one and all present here. As you all know, this is Ranjana Goswami. So, first of all, I would like to welcome our uh, founder of this platform, Prakash sir, and I also welcoming you all to this tremendous platform of sharing knowledge. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. We all have problem in our life, but making those problems our whole life is a choice. Waking up in the morning, if you are here, you are alive. You have this day and your love. Once believe me, it's more than enough and you are more than privileged. So, I'm going to welcome our today's host, a very fun-loving personality. Unlike her is, she has immense talent and is full of creativity. I would like to welcome Lakshmi Bora. Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent welcome speech by Ranjana Goswami. Now I would like to start our show. I will share my screen.
Hello, Lakshmi.
I'm facing network problem actually. Yeah, I'm facing network problem actually.
It's okay. Be relaxed. Okay, we all are here. Be relaxed. Because network is not in your hand.
Yes, sir.
So don't be nervous. And this is your beginning.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
And nowadays, the weather network is not working properly anywhere.
Yeah, the problem is everywhere. Yes, yes, yes.
Due to weather.
Yeah.
Hello, Pankaj sir. How was your exam today?
Ashok More, you have the same problem. Your network is not
Your
clear.
voice is just like a, your voice is just like a robot.
Lakshmi came again, sir.
Maria, good evening, and it was good. It was quite good.
Okay. Okay.
Fine.
Hello, Lakshmi, turn on your audio.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Actually, I came outside of my room. That's why I muted myself.
Okay.
Hey, hi Lakshmi.
Yes.
I'm Surya.
Who is it?
Okay, Lakshmi, start your program.
Yeah, you can. Okay, so Lakshmi is the second youngest speaker in our on our platform.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes.
After share option, I have clicked Google Drive. After that, nothing is, something there is problem. Subhasri ma'am, can you share? Hello, Subhasri ma'am.
Is she here? I don't think so.
Subhasri ma'am is there?
No, no.
It's not there.
What about the audio?
You can ask for Yogesh.
So I will have to give him.
Hello. It is good to give Ashok Mishra, sir. Lakshmi.
Yogesh.
Okay, you can also join on our group.
Okay.
So he will download from there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so meanwhile, let me talk with the Subhas Paul. Hello, Subhas Paul. Good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, so you are from Assam, and Guwahati is your capital city. Hello.
Actually, it is part of Guwahati. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So do you live in
Dispur is the
Guwahati?
capital of Assam. It is a. Yes, sir. I live in Guwahati, sir.
Okay. And yeah, Tibet is there. Then
from my state.
yeah. So have you ever visited Tibet? Then one more Sikkim. Sorry, no. One more.
Tripura.
No. Today is a network problem. Means all are suffering from network problem. Rajkumar Jaiswal, you have the same problem. You all are facing the same problem.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, Pramod Kumar.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I am fine. Okay. So Yogesh Mishra, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Pramod Kumar, excuse me. Now Yogesh Mishra is ready. Lakshmi is ready. So let's start. Yeah.
Is it visible?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Welcome to you.
Okay. So go to the
Thank you,
next page,
Lakshmi.
sir.
Yogesh, sir, please
Next.
show the next slide.
So this is our first topic. Paul will get chance to talk on this topic, and so you will have to talk about this very briefly. Only mention your aim and why you have chosen that ambition. Right? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
First, you want to tell?
Hello.
I will call you one by one. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Please call name one by one. I think
Okay.
Prakash sir should be start.
Yes, yes. I will start from
Yes. Yes.
him. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
I would like to invite Prakash sir from Gujarat to speak on this topic.
Okay. Okay, so what's your aim and why you have chosen this ambition? Okay, so I have told and I have shared many times with Kamli speakers, with native English speakers, and sometimes with the non-native English speakers also. My dream is to make a presentation on TED or TEDx. And why you have chosen this ambition? Okay, so I'm the person who wants to speak. I'm the person who wants to share something with other people. And I think I have shared also with you when I was 10 years old and I attended the meeting of Narendra Modi. And that time it was a meeting of only 60 or 50 or 60 people. And during the recess session, I was the youngest because I went there with my father. And the recess time, he called me and he told me to sit on my lap. And he talked with me and he told me, you can speak like me in future. Okay, be a public speaker. Okay, so from that day, I had a dream to be a public speaker. In my college time also, I was a good orator. I got so many medals. I won so many trophies also in elocution competitions. So from my childhood, from my college days, I would like to be a good public speaker, and TEDx is the international platform. That's why to perform on TEDx, that's my aim. Thank you.
You are great. Okay. So I think now I should tell my yes. My aim is IS. Why IS? Because in my childhood time, I faced many discrimination about racist something. Okay, because I belongs to scheduled tribe, so lack of education, so many problems. So like that's why I try to become a civil servant. I try to, at least now also I'm seeing so many people facing the same problem in ground level. So if I will become a civil servant, at least I will try to change this kind of mentality and this kind of society. So that's why I want to become a civil servant. Hello.
Yes, we are listening.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Very good goal you have.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Lakshmi, carry on.
I think Lakshmi was disconnected, sir, again.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, her voice is not clear. I think some network issues.
So, Santa ma'am, you can after me.
Yeah.
Okay,
carry on, Nagesha sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I
Thank you
think
for
now
giving this opportunity.
Jogesh sir.
I want to become a speaker of English.
Hello, Suraj.
Suraj,
hello.
So,
Hello.
hello, sir. Nageshwar Rao.
Yeah, you can carry on.
Okay, sir. So I belong to Telugu medium student, and so I like to speak English because English is a very essential language and it is also a universal language. So as a teacher, we know very well. If we know the English well, we can teach our students great because the students are the builders of our nation. So that's why I chosen to speak English fluently. Thank you.
Ashok Maurya, please. I would like to request Ashok Maurya to talk about his dream.
Thank you, sir. So my goal is to become an civil servant. Why I have chosen this ambition? Because I want to help the society and want to give something to the something back to the society, which I get from the society. There are so many problems in our country. So I want to change something with the help of this platform. And this platform, civil services, is such a diverse platform that we can help in every sector to the grassroots level. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, wonderful. So now I would like to invite Shanta Madam.
Sir, already so many youngsters are there. We already fulfill our aims and dreams. So when I was saying my first dream is I have to do any job. Not I didn't fix anything, but I want to do any job. So I joined in B.Ed and I completed my B.Ed. Before that I got married. Before completing my B.Ed, I got married. At that time, I thought I have to do some job. So after my marriage, I completed my B.Ed and immediately I got the job. Later, as I want to become an English teacher, then I got promotion in the year 2009. As an English teacher, I have 10 years service. I have finished 10 years service. I even before B.Ed, I completed my MA. At that time, my roommates, my classmates, all are went to abroad. So after getting my job, to fulfill that time, I finished my IELTS, but I am unable to go abroad. So that is my unfulfilled dreams. So I am trying to fulfill that one. But as a visitor, I can. But as an employee, I think I cannot. Okay, thank you. This is my ambition.
That's good. Okay, I think Lakshmi is
Sir,
here.
I have
Yes,
come.
Lakshmi is here. Yes. So you are
Yes,
a
sir.
host. Okay.
Actually, problem is with Geo network. I have tried from my my mother's phone and also from father's phone. Both have Geo SIM. Then I came out from our house. So now I am using Airtel.
Oh
Airtel
my
network.
God. So Mr. Pankaj will be very happy.
Yeah.
Lakshmi is
My-
promoting Airtel.
Great,
Yeah.
great job, Lakshmi. Great job.
Yes, my brother is holding a torch.
Okay, so
Okay,
you can
so
carry on.
how
Yeah.
many speakers spoke? How
Okay.
many speakers spoke?
Nageshwar sir, I think he has. Yeah. Have you completed, Nageshwar sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. I
Then Shanta madam has also completed.
Nageshwar sir, Santa madam.
Surya Kumar.
Ashok Maurya.
Nageshwar sir, Santa madam, and you.
Yeah.
Ashok Maurya.
Ashok Maurya also. He has completed.
And Surya Kumar also.
Huh?
Yeah.
Surya
Five.
have
He has
spoke.
also completed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, Lakshmi. What happened with Airtel?
Again, I was disconnected. Yes. Yes. Same. Same problem. Same problem. So Zaya ma'am have not spoken, right?
No, yeah.
No.
Yeah. So I would like to invite Jaya ma'am from Karnataka to speak in this topic.
Okay. Thank you. Am I audible?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, thank you. So, if I can say, see, I am near to half century now. So already my 50% of the aims are fulfilled. Only something is left, and I want to earn money for myself. That's so finished. Now my life is stable. Now I am well settled, and only my aim is to live happily and to be healthy and to be a strong woman and without stress. And again my aim is there, that is I want to become a fluent English speaker. I know English but I can't speak fluently, and I want to do my service at the level of my best. And okay, that's only my aim. Not any specific aim is there. Okay, only that much. Thank you.
Nice explanation by Jaya ma'am. So now I would like to go to USA. Okay. I invite Ilarani ma'am to speak on this topic.
Okay, thank you, Lakshmi. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. Am I audible?
Good evening. Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Okay, so this is a nice topic. As you all know, I wanted to be a lawyer, and still my aim is to be a good lawyer. And now I am thinking to be a family lawyer, to be a divorce lawyer, because nowadays it's happening more. I want to guide people to do not take divorce. So that's why I'm preparing for that. And my aim is to be a divorce lawyer.
Family counselor, I think it is. You can use that word.
Yes, ma'am. By that way, when people comes to me, so that I can know their problems and can try to understand them. This is not right. And if people also suffering, yes, it's not audible. So this is making to problem. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We are getting you.
Yes, I can hear you all, because I don't know, my phone is not, this is, here is voice problem. I can't hear you all properly.
But we are listening.
Okay, thanks, ma'am. So that's why I want to help those who really need to get divorced easily, because people are also suffering in bad relationship. So, and they are misusing, lawyers are misusing them and getting too much money from them. So that's why I want to help them also, and also try to make those who are in problem, they are not taking good decision. So I want to guide them also. So that is my aim, Lakshmi. Thank you.
Okay. So excuse me, Lakshmi and Ilarani.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I would like to say something about. Have you heard about this book? Men are from Mars and women are from Venus. John Gray,
No, sir.
written by John Gray.
I heard
Okay,
it.
I will.
Okay, it was a best-selling book that time,
Okay.
and because after reading this book, he compromised many couples. Okay, they stopped getting the divorce, and many couples became happy after reading this book. But what happened after some years? So writers got divorced. That's the reality.
He's funny.
He himself has to read the book again, sir.
Yeah. So
He wrote
no,
that book, but he didn't read that one. That's why.
Yeah, I think he has forgot what he has written.
Actually, no,
Yeah,
if you want to stop divorce, and I have learned one thing from Pandit Ravi Shankar Maharaj from Gujarat. He has written one thing about marriage. You are not getting marriage to be happy. Okay, you are not getting married to be happy. You are getting married to make someone happy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's right, sir.
So if you know this one line, then you will be happy all time in your marriage life.
Yes, sir.
Compromise is needed. Compromise in making happy.
Sir,
Yeah, Lakshmi, you can carry on.
Thank you,
sir,
sir.
I want to start. Yeah, sir, I want to start the second round because we have very less time in this session.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Yogesh sir, go to the second round.
Listen, Lakshmi, I want to say something.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
I want to say something.
Haven't you listened me?
Yes, I'm saying.
Actually, I promised you all that you all will get chance to talk in first topic, but for the lack of time, we will have to start the second round. Okay.
Lakshmi, listen, I want to say something just before start the next topic. So I just want to say something. So if you give me permission, so I will say.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think my time is off now. Okay, I spent this session only 30 minutes, so I think I finished. Okay, so if all members and Prakash sir and Pankaj sir, Lakshmi you and all members will give permission now.
Lakshmi, carry on.
But you have to take our precious time, 2 minutes, to explaining this all.
Hello?
Yeah, you can leave.
Yeah, Lakshmi, you carry on.
Yes. So in this round, you read that page, you will understand. It's written about a person, so you have to find out about which person I have written in this page. Okay, let's see how much we know each other in our second round.
Pankaj. First
Can you
one,
get my mark?
Pankaj.
Yeah.
Yes, Pankaj sir.
Second, Prakash sir.
Yes, it's Pankaj sir. So show the next
Slide.
slide, please. Yeah. City of Lakes means Udaipur.
Yeah.
Yeah. Show the second piece. Yeah. And
Nageshwar
yes.
sir. Yes, Nageshwar sir.
Nageshwar sir.
Telangana
Yeah.
is the 29th state of India.
Right.